Insurance agents contact potential customers to sell one or more types of insurance. In this video, we will go over what insurance agents do, how to become an insurance agent, the crazy good job market for insurance agents, what kind of money they make, and at the end of the video, we will cover the top 5 highest paying states. Coming up. Hey everyone, Stephen Hack here with CareerWatch, where we help you with your career search. We have weekly videos on job statistics, salary statistics, and other general career information. If you enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up to support the channel. We also offer career coaching and consulting services. Feel free to check the description below for more information. Insurance agents commonly sell many different types of insurance to prospective clients. Often they explain various kinds of insurance policies to help their clients choose the most suitable one. Some insurance agents specialize on one kind of insurance and others generalize. Property and casualty insurance agents sell policies that protect people and businesses from financial loss resulting from automobile accidents, fire, theft, and other events. Life insurance agents specialize in selling policies that pay beneficiaries when the policyholder passes away. Health and long-term care insurance agents sell policies that cover medical and dental care. In recent years, insurance agents have started offering their clients financial planning services. This includes retirement planning and estate planning. Some also become licensed to sell mutual funds, variable annuities, and other securities. So many insurance agents these days are branching beyond just insurance sales. To become an insurance agent, you first need a high school diploma. In 2017, the Bureau of Labor Statistics did a survey of many different kinds of insurance agents. Here's the educational breakdown of the survey. About 15% have a high school diploma or equivalent, about 26% have some college, 10% have an associate's degree, 40% have a bachelor's degree, and 7% have a master's degree. So higher education is definitely optional for this occupation, but it doesn't hurt. After getting at least a high school diploma, prospective insurance agents have to get licensed in the states that they want to work in. Each state is a little different in their requirements. Typically, you need a certain number of hours of education, then you register for a state exam, pass, and then you're licensed. Apparently, the process of getting licensed isn't expensive at all. I checked one and it only costs between $40 and $200, depending on the state. So that is the general process on how to become an insurance agent. As you can see, it's fairly simple, unlike many other occupations. So the next question people tend to ask is, do people enjoy this occupation or do they hate it? And to be perfectly honest, selling insurance is not for everyone. For some, it is a dream job, and for others, it is a nightmare job. Here's one success story from Jose Arvielo, a licensed insurance agent. When clients are purchasing insurance, it's something they can't see or feel, and it is my job to inform them and make them aware of all the necessary insurance policies they need. Consumers aren't aware of how many different types of insurance policies that can be taken out on their home, automobile, or business. As much as the consumer may not want to purchase some of the most necessary insurances, it is my job to inform and let them know just why it will be suitable to them in the long run. The most rewarding part of my job is when something goes wrong with the insured possessions and they are covered. It puts a smile on my face knowing that I helped them save some extra cash. Here's another testimonial from Joe. I love dealing and meeting with new people on a daily basis, learning about their insurance needs and arranging new insurance programs that best meet their needs. It is our job to arrange this partnership between our clients and insurance carriers, and doing that well enough is something I can really enjoy. Later in the video, we will cover people that quit the insurance industry and exactly why they did so. Next up is, who do insurance agents tend to work for? The vast majority, 61% of insurance agents work for insurance agencies and brokerages. About 12% are self-employed, 9% work for direct non-medical insurance carriers, and 5% work for direct medical insurance carriers. As for the entrepreneurial rate, 12% is pretty high. It is higher than advertising sales agents, but it is not quite as high as, say, real estate agents, where 56% of them are self-employed. Also, personal finance advisors have a little bit of a higher entrepreneurship rate than insurance agents, but still 12% is pretty high when you compare it to occupations beyond these. Here's the base salaries of the industries that I spoke of before. The highest on average is direct medical insurance carriers, which pay on average around $65,000 per year. Then it's direct non-medical insurance carriers around $54,000, and insurance agencies and brokerages on average pay around $49,000 per year as a base salary. And these are base salaries and they don't include overtime. So They don't include commissions, which is a big part of working as an insurance agent. The vast majority of insurance agents earn commission that can be far more lucrative than these base salaries. We will get into these a little bit more later in the video. Next, let's take a look at the national job market. The total number of employed insurance agents has mostly risen over the years. In 1999, the government recorded 241,000 employed insurance agents nationally. The number of jobs dropped a tiny bit from 2008 to 2011, the result of the financial crisis in the late 2000s. Since 2011, the number of employed insurance agents has risen. In 2019, the Department of Labor recorded 410,000 employed insurance agents. So basically, the number of jobs rose by 168,000 jobs from 1999 to 2019. And the Bureau of Labor Statistics thinks that this is going to continue, this job growth. They are estimating a 10% growth over the next 10 years in the number of insurance agent jobs. Next, let's take a look at what insurance agents earn. And again, these are base salaries. In 1999, the average base salary for an insurance agent was around $48,000 per year. By the year 2019, the average base salary had risen to about $68,000. So the base salaries for insurance agents rose by $20,000 from 1999 to 2019. Here's how these base salaries break down. The starting base salary would be anywhere between $28,000 and up to $37,000, depending on the area of the country and the experience level. And the top 10% do really well, even just at the base salary, no commission. The top 10% start at around $125,000 and go up from there, and they're earning probably a giant commission on top of this. So what about commissions? The Bureau of Labor Statistics data doesn't include commissions, and it also doesn't include the self-employed insurance agents that are probably doing either really well or struggling, who knows. Basically, with this occupation, the more you sell, the more you earn. Here's an interesting tidbit though. In 2019, around 30% of young agents earned more than $100,000 per year. This is one of the few occupations where it doesn't require much education and you can make six figures pretty quickly if you are good at it. There honestly isn't a lot of good data on how much insurance agents are making as far as commissions, so I went to Reddit. There's a lot of insurance sales jobs, but I can only speak on group benefits. Base for my position is around $40,000. Total comp, if you're working hard, should be around $100,000 your second year. It goes up from there, and median is probably $250,000 to $300,000 after 5 years. Top sales rep will cap around $400,000 to $600,000 per year. Here's another Redditor. I'm an insurance agent and clear over $200,000 a year in commissions after 4 years at my current agency. I just hired someone to work for me at $50,000 per year. The difference here is risk and reward. I went out completely on my own commission only, whereas the guy I'm paying a lot less has guaranteed salary income and I provide the leads to him. You can obviously do really well in this occupation if you're really good at it. But one thing to keep in mind is this occupation is not for everyone. Here is one article I found. Why 89% of insurance agents quit within 3 years. For every 100 people who will join the insurance industry this year, only 11 of them will still be in the job in 36 months. Here's one Reddit post titled, "Should I Quit Being an Insurance Agent?" Some background, 4.5 years in this industry, 200 clients, income around $50,000 to $60,000 per year. That being said, I'm starting to dislike what I'm doing. Basically, my life revolves around securing appointments. I'm starting to feel that it's taking a toll on me. Prospecting really sucks my soul out to the point where I don't even feel like doing anything. Kind of feel like I'm really drained. One part of me yearns to do something else. The other part tells me no other job can offer this kind of freedom with this kind of potential income. Next, let's take a look at the highest paying states by base salary for insurance agents. The average base salary is around $68,000 per year, but certain areas of the country tend to pay much more than this. So let's take a look. Number 5 on the list is the North Star State. This is in the Midwest. It is the state of Minnesota, where the average base salary is $76,260. Number 4 on the list is the Badger State, another kind of Rust Belt state. This is the state of Wisconsin, where the average base salary is $76,410. Number 3 on the list is in the Northeast Corridor. It is the Empire State. It is New York. The average base salary in New York is $83,360. Next, we are going south to the nation's capital, where the average base salary is $83,710. And number 1 on the list is also in the Northeast Corridor. It is the Bay State. This is the state of Massachusetts, where the average base salary is $86,330. Those are the 5 highest paying states for insurance agents in 2019. This occupation definitely has its pros and cons. It honestly isn't for everyone, but for specific people, it can be very lucrative. It can provide the freedom that they desire, and it has great entrepreneurship potential. Are you interested in becoming an insurance agent? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you next time.